Hey guys, I'm David. I'm here today to talk about this dog bark deterrent device. And basically, this is here to try to replace a shock collar or the pinch collars that dig into a dog's neck that causes pain. This seems to be a much better product for that. It has three sonic emitters or speakers basically, and it also has a little light in the center that you can turn it on so that it will emit that sound, which gets your dog's attention. They don't like the sound and they react and do what you tell them to do. It gets their attention just like a clicker would if you're trying to teach them when it's time to eat and you hit the clicker. They learn that that's what that means. As I said, this comes with, you can do just the sound, and it has a light. You can turn the light off and where it's just sound. A lot of times you may want to do the light and teach that that sound is going to come if they do not do what they're told. This can help with barking, digging, biting people, doing things that you don't want the dog to do, or not listening to the commands you're giving. It has about a 50-foot range, which is pretty daggum good. You can be out in the yard, they start digging, you don't even have to get up, you just point it in their general direction and they will immediately stop what they're doing. So far with my lab, it's had a great result, especially in her listening when I tell her to go to bed, or if she starts barking at something. A lot of times when we get in the truck to go to a walk or go to the vet, she gets very excited and she barks a lot, and it's very high pitched, very annoying, especially to the public because she's in the bed of my truck. I literally just have to put this right out the window, hit the button real quick, and she stops. If you're looking for something to help train your dog or to change their behavior, I think this would be a much better option than using pinch collars and barking shock collars that can hurt your dog.